Let us now look at addition and subtraction of like terms. To add or subtract like terms, we add or subtract their coefficients while the variables stay the same. It is similar to addition and subtraction of real numbers that we all know. Here are some examples. When we do minus 2 plus minus 3, we get minus 5. Similarly, if we were to do minus 2x plus minus 3x, we would get minus 5x. Next, when we do minus 2 plus 5, we will get minus 3. It's the same even if a variable x has been added. And for 7 plus 3 equals 10, the answer would be the same, just that there would be an x involved. It is now your turn to try. Pause the video and attempt the following questions. Play the video again when you want to check your answer and move on. Without using a calculator, simplify the following questions. Let us now go through the solutions together. For question 1, we have 4x plus negative 7x. We will then make it 4x minus 7x to get the final answer minus 3x. For the second question, we have to do minus 3y minus 4y. Since minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, the answer would just be minus 7y. For the third question, it's minus 6y minus negative 2y. Note that two negatives would make a positive, and so it's easier to simplify the expression before we carry on and find the final answer, which is minus 4y. Now, let's try something harder. Addition and subtraction of algebraic terms involving two variables. Here's an example, 3x plus 2y minus x plus negative 4y. We will learn how to add or subtract these in the next few slides. Here's an example, minus 5x plus negative 6y minus 3x minus negative 4y. Firstly, we will group the like terms. So we will group x's together and the y's together so that we can see them side by side. After that, we will simplify them by firstly multiplying minus 5x minus 3x and then doing minus 6y minus negative 4y. After that, we get the final answer to be minus 8x minus 2y. Now, it's time for you to try these questions on your own. Solve these two questions and play the video once you have got the answer. Let us take a look at the solutions now. So for 3x plus 2y minus x plus negative 4y, we will first group the like terms together, which is the 3x and the negative x, and then the 2y and the negative 4y. So we get our final answer 2x minus 2y. And for the second question, 6a minus negative 8 minus 3b plus a plus negative 7b plus 5. Take note that in this case, constants are also involved. Therefore, we will also group the constants together. Therefore, you can simplify it to 7a minus 10b plus 13.
Click subscribe to become smarter with Learn Maths Today channel.